Yeah, so let's create our first project today. So you guys can create any folder in any drive you want. Yeah. So you can click into the project and then press on the top here and type CMD. I will direct you into yeah. So everyone can follow. Then type Flutter create to do that. Anyone have any issue? I welcome. Yeah, for student just coming, you can we just start to create a new project and you can create a folder. So type code, then space and password, enter. That will redirect you to your IDE. Anyone using Android Studio? You don't have any issue? Yes. Anyone have
Dio, eu mesmo tenho só.
Guys, can you guys try to run Flutter Docker in your terminal? Check if have any issue on it. Yeah, so for Visual Studio Code, you guys can add extension for Flutter here. Create on extension here, and then you search Flutter. And then install these two extensions. So everyone done? Done. Cannot follow? Anyone cannot follow? No. Your laptop cannot follow. Laptop problem for you. Laptop. No fair. So the third extension you can add is for the pub get for you guys to import libraries through dependency. This one. So let's set up for the Firebase right now. Then you go to the listing. So create for project. I will hit simply enter to do it. But let me check language first. So click on continue and then disable the Google Analytics and create a project. Then click on continue. And go for Android. Yeah, so for the Android package name, right, you can find in your Visual Studio Code here. Android and Flutter, I guess. Under the app folder. Yeah, then space. So find the file view gradle under app folder and under Android folder. So register it. And download this Google service JSON file. So copy and paste on the folder under the app folder here. And then remember to rename if let's say you have previous have download for the Google service JSON file. So anyone cannot follow can rest up and sounds cool. Yeah. So Firebase group. So click on next. For this part is actually for Kotlin and Java. So actually you can go to this link. Can you guys see the firefox.flutter.net? And then click on get started. Go to the manual installation and find Android installation. So copy this line and find build better file under Android folder. And then test on under the dependency here. So as well as for the build better under Android app file folder. So we can simply test on here. So anyone haven't get through this link? So continue to put in this multi-text enable under app folder of the build gradle file. So for the second line, as also under build gradle file, scroll down to the bottom and then paste in the dependencies here. So everyone done? Yes. So click on go back to the Firebase console here, and then click on next, and we finally done. So continue to console, and then open for the cloud Firestore here. So our backend is using cloud Firestore, and then all the data will be stored here. Good. So create a database. Yeah, you can choose Singapore for the Singapore server. So all your data will store in Singapore. Or you prefer your data to store in US? Also can. Then click on next and start in test mode. And click on enable. Yes. So anyone experience Wi-Fi issue here? Yes. Done? All done? So now we go to the rules tab here. and then you need to edit for the rules. If you didn't edit, right, you can't update your data in your Firebase. So delete this. So delete. So click on publish here. Yeah, so done for this rule. So for the data storing here is storing in collection, and then have document ID. Yeah, and then have document, I guess. Yeah. So everyone, follow? Anyone gonna follow? After the right is the semicolon, not colon. So everyone done? Everyone? Yes. Are you forward? Okay. So let's continue. Okay. So you guys can pause this tab and then hide this tab. Go to your link folder here and then open MemDAC here. So this MemDAC will be the your application to start from here. So now we need to import dependency for the Firestore we just now installed. So we can create a new terminal here. For Android Studio, you guys can create a new terminal. Yeah, so we have 5 dependencies here. So you can type on the terminal here. After pub add, can see or not? Out, sorry. Wait, give me a second. Yeah, you guys can actually go through this website and search for the package for you guys to import libraries here. And then let's say I want to put a cloud Firestore. And then go to the installing here. Yeah, copy this side. Yeah, so for you guys who cannot add your account Firestore here, you need to go to your main folder here. Yeah, type cd and your main folder here, and then use the command again. And then for who already done for the cloud Firestore, you can continue to add for the Firebase core, hints and provider and UUID. Same command, Flutter pack add. So tech note from here, I'm usually using the most outside of the to do app folder here, and actually add the Flutter project inside. So actually only need to add to do app inside. So when you see me create for a new terminal, right? So it didn't go through the to do app. So post for it, I think. So let's say you want to open your folder, you can create one file and add folder to workspace. Yeah, go find your document. Yeah, add for this to do it. So when you open for a new terminal, yeah. So for Visual Studio Code, right, if you have download for the extension, you can actually press on show and run command here, or use shortcut key Control Shift plus P, and then here you can directly click on this command, and then can directly type file code, and it will run Flutter package here. So UID is especially uh, like a random number. I think with letter with alphabet. I think it's like 32 bytes. Yeah, so it's a strong random ID for your like user for your user ID or yeah any ID for it. So most of the even in other language we also make use of UUID. Yeah. Anyone have any issue? So after you guys install this dependency, you can actually find in this one, hub space, YAML here. So you can check dependency in here. Yeah. So you have to check. So everyone done? Your Wi-Fi issue or laptop issue? Can't fix. 问一下为什么？就是它是超快还是少？一个一定是不同的。So let's start. Try to start your emulator. Or if you guys does not have emulator, you can directly start on Chrome or Edge. Yeah. Anyway, have you guys installed your Android extension? Android and iOS extension. This one. iOS emulator. Oh, sorry. Yeah. The second one. Thank you for reminding. So you guys can try to start now. Click on here and either start from Chrome or Edge, I guess. Yeah. Or you have emulator, you can directly start here. So you guys need to go to the main.dat here to run on this part. So let's adjust the size to the mobile layout, please. First, we are in mobile Flutter. Ready? Would you like to help on simulator? If you guys want to try to run the simulator, so I will try run simulator for you guys. Uh, yeah, by the way, this is our final product. So for English learning, สวัสดีครับนินครับ So guys, uh, I will I will directly teach you guys on basic on Flutter and how to use a good practice in Visual Studio Code for Flutter or Android Studio Code, Android Studio. So let's try to delete this stuff and then we go to the simple one. Can you guys see the code? Yes. And good. So before that, we need to initialize Firebase through the code also. Initialize. Yeah, so this is a standard format to connect to your Firebase and initialize for it. And then why we use a web here is because we can't uh, connect to the Firebase immediately. You will need some time to load it, and then we need. And if you want to use a web here, you need to add and sync and synchronize, yeah, behind your function. Yeah, so for the this one right, arrow right, you can actually use shortcut key with control plus dot or control plus full stop, I guess. And then or you can try to right click and then click on refactor here. Not refactor, sorry. Is okay, I don't buy it. Just use control bar plus dot, yeah. And then you have, oh, actually you can hover on it and then, yeah, here can click on quick fix. Yeah, then you need to import the dependency just now you guys have using the Flutter Pub app, right? Yeah, you can now import the library for it. Yeah, so this basic setup have done for the Firebase. And then let's go through, let's explain about uh, the widget. So actually Flutter is made of a bunch of widget, and widget is made of, and inside widget you have widget tree with an element tree. So you can see here, this one is actually a widget, and then this one is considered an element. So element will start from a letter with small letter, yeah, lowercase, and then this one is a widget. Yeah, so widget, element, like that. So we have two widgets for which are standard widget and stateful widget here. So for standard widget here is like, yeah, and you guys can actually see the description when you hover through it. Yeah, and provide YouTube link some more. Yeah, so standard widget is actually you use when your data is static, like also include like you put you develop an icon button widget or text button or a text that is static, it wouldn't change. Yeah, so you'll use stellar widgets in this case. So you may ask why, and on the other hand, standard stateful widget is like when your user interface is deal with the data with dynamic, so it will update in real time. Let's say you have update your to do, and then it will automatically update in your UI. Then you need to use stateful widget. So you may ask why can't we use all widget for stateful widget? Because it's because uh, stateful widget you require more power, more resources, I guess. So stylus, and you need to have the good practice to use stylus widgets to increase your performance of your app. Yeah. Yeah, so I think, and let's try to go through this code. So this one is standard material app widget that every app will start from this widget, and then inside the material app, usually we will create a scalper widget. Yeah, so inside scalper widget, right, you can hover through it and check the element here. So this one is widget and this one is element. Yeah, so this one is app bar, and then you have a body here. Yeah. So after we declare the element, we can use we will use the widget now. So widget will start from uppercase. So it's app bar. So you guys also need to make use of auto formatting function shortcut key in Visual Studio Code. I'm not sure Android Studio Code got or not. Android Studio Code got or not. Uh, the shortcut key for auto formatting is alternative plus shift then plus F. You hold your control alternative plus shift then press on your F. Yeah, so you can see that the code is actually auto formatting with better organized. Like let's say let's say you have a lot of bracket. Yeah, then you can put the comma behind the bracket, and then you auto format. Yeah, it will have better organized. Then if you have a lot of parameter you need to pass through another widget, then you can so we have better organizer. Yeah. So try to explore every elements in widget. Yeah. So Flutter is actually very efficient. And then the most for me the most important part is you need to understand the row and column. So anyone don't know row and column here? Anyone? So row is actually written a single row. So inside a row you have a children elements. Then you can so when you want to build very many widget here, then you will return on a single row. For column, will go to first row, second row, and continuously like that. So let's try to use column here. So body, so element, then widget, then bracket. So inside column, you can overthrow it and then check the element. Yeah. So the children is actually in the list. Yeah, in the list format. So declare for children. And one thing is, please make sure your Chrome or emulator is running, so that you can later on you can stop or reload it. One, two, three. Yeah, so this one is the small warning that you need to use constant with the constructor to read performance for the static data. Yeah, so you can add a const in front, and then use shortcut key Control plus S. Here, auto reloading. F. Yeah, you can see this one is in column, and then first row, second row. Yeah, like this. And then let's change to row, and then Control plus S again. Yeah. So if you know how to use row and column, you actually can count out the layout, design any layout you want. But actually, we have more region. For now, you need to understand these two first. And then also the container. For container, right, is normally used for decoration or background or and or shadow background like that. Yeah. So you can actually uh, use this shortcut key. Also control plus dot on the widget, and then you can see you can extract methods or extract widget or web library with any widget. Yeah, you can see here web center, script builder. Script builder is for live real time data. Yeah, so and size box is for you want to give some space between the widget. You can use size box. So for let's try it out. So for the row part, you normally you want to have the spaces between the widget. Yeah, between the first widget and the second widget, right? So we were using view. Yeah. So let's see. And put on horizontal again. Yeah. So as for the column, using type and put horizontal. Yeah. And then you can try to wrap the region, see how does it look like. Yeah. So yeah, we'll give you a region name, and then you can declare yourself with the correct region, like a container. Yeah. So actually, So you need to have a good practice to organize your code. For example, uh, here. So I actually passed organize for this is the first page to-do list, show to-do list view. And then this one is the second page, manage to-do view. And then normally for you guys, you will define all things in one part. So if you let's say you want to open for a new file, you can extract for it, like extract a widget, and then it will create a stateless widget, and then you can open for a new file to better organize. Yeah, like this. So we actually for this project, we actually using MVC model. So anyone don't know MVC model here? Oh, so MVC model is made of models, views, and controllers. So you can, as you can see here, we have two project folder, three folder. Yeah. So the first one is controllers. So controllers mainly do like CIUD operations or any other stuff like the backend stuff, more on backend stuff. Yeah. So when you want to call this function, you need to initialize the controller like here. You need to initialize it, and then you can use it. Uh, yeah, like this. So this controller is actually initialized once in home view here, and then I pass the pass as parameter in to do list view patch. So you can see this is a standard format for passing parameter for among widget. Yeah, so you need to use this require this dot to do controller and then declare a finder for it. Yeah, when you pass, you can directly pass from it. Here. Yeah. So let's say you don't want the parameter to be so passing parameter is actually passing the data. Yeah. So if you don't want to pass the parameter every time, like it's optional for you to pass. So you need to delete the required and then add a question mark. Yeah. So in this case, yeah, you actually no need to pass the parameter also. So let's say you change back. Let's say you delete this required, and then you are having error, and then you can use the quick fix function also. Yeah, so you can add required argument alert dialog. Yeah, like this. So the sequence is not no need to match the sequence because we have declared here for the Flutter. Yeah, so for this case, we are using CRUD here. This is a in-num model. And this one is actually to determine which come from which page. Like this one, let's say for the add to do and update to do is actually using the same widget, and then you can create a boolean or in num to differentiate it. Like this is come from add tab, and then you click on add, then will display the app to do for it, like this case. And this one is ternary operators. Like if it's come from C is actually read, update, and delete, and then the title will be add to do. If not, the title will be update to do. Yeah. And then this one is switch case. Yeah. So you can see for update and create is using different functions, but they are sharing same region. Yeah, so you need to differentiate by using a boolean or num. So for the model, yeah, just now I have mentioned about the BIOD and the to-do models actually involve to-do classes and not to-do classes. Involve all classes that have their own data attributes. So this is a standard format for defining the classes. Yeah. So all the models will store the classes. And then the views part is for the UI. Yeah, the UI components. So you can do like this. Like if each page you can put in one part for use. Uh, not like all play in same part. And then you can create like this structure, like create a folder home view. And then if let's say your home view dot page will involve many components, then you can separate out by creating a new component. And then you can use uh, extract region functions to, yeah. Let's let me demo the extract here. So let's say, yeah, let's say I want to extract this container. Extract as a region, and then create for new name. Like this is a main title component. Yeah, so you can see the region will create below here, and then you can copy and create a new file. Yeah, and then it will also automatically pass the parameter for you. Yeah, so anything. So far is a basic for Flutter. So if you guys want to learn more, you can. I will provide you guys the source code, but in the document, you guys can try to explore more and do for the project. And then after you're done, you can submit through the Google form. Yeah, you can also submit your feedback form by this link or QR code. Yeah, so the Google form submission, your project submission. So after you have submitted a project, you can get the cert from us. Yeah. So this Canva slide we will share for you guys later on. 他们 something else。等2分钟。Alright, so the event has already come to an end. Thanks, Lichan, for guiding us about Flutter. Yeah, I also want to thank for Google Developer Students First event for our term. So it's 2023 and 2024. It's our first event. There's more to come. We have 3 events every month starting next month. So yeah, I hope to see all these familiar faces in our upcoming events as well. Then at the same time, I would like to announce to you guys Shanghai 2024. This is an annual combining courses from all the GDSCs over Malaysia. So it's a really great opportunity for you to connect with people and build your skills on top of it. And we have very good prizes for leaders. And you can register your team at teamguide.com. So spread the word and then see you there. Then one last announcement before we end this session and release everyone. This event is another event hosted by Benedict in Notion unit. So the Notion event will provide you with free dinner. PM until 8 PM. Stay longer and then your food. Yeah, everyone is free to release now.